Now we are on our desktop, so we need to find only the Solidworks application. If you install Solidworks, then you'll already get the Solidworks icon on your desktop. So simply double click on it. This is the type 1 method to open the Solidworks, so it will take a time from normally 10 seconds only. So our window is open. This is home page. There are 3 options in that. 4 options: home, recent, learn and alerts. So this learn software is already for the learning of the software, and we need only these 3 commands, that is part, assembly and drawings. These are the main commands, and if you recently draw some drawings in SolidWorks, then you can open this from this open command. You can also see the recent drawn parts from the recent tab. This is the first method. We can also study the second method to open SolidWorks. Just cancel the software, go on desktop, then right click on your software and click on open. Then it will take time as first. These are same tabs open, only the method of opening of this software is different. So this is our today's tutorial how to open SolidWorks. Thank you.